Honda CBR500R. Stolen, recovered, but will it start? Let's get into it. From the streets of London, I spent 20 years dispatch riding and 5 years club racing. And now, from the great state of Texas, I bring you Sir Patrick Bikes. So this is another bike that I got from the auction, and stolen, recovered. Okay, so let's just quickly go over it before we try and start it. Let's check it out. I'm not sure if the battery's charged or not. We're missing like the pillion footrest. I've actually already put this footrest on. It was missing one of those. This side, it's a bit scratched on the fairing, but it's not too bad. Front brake don't work. Missing a handlebar weight there. Let's go down here. Yeah, on the front brake you can see that is not correctly routed. I pumped the tyres up because I couldn't move it. It's got a black screen, which is not standard, a bit horrible. What else we got? Got a bit of a scratch there. I already put on this. This was broken. We're also missing like a rear chain guard. We're also missing a rear pillion footrest, and you can see damage here. Good thing about this bike is that the parts are not loads of money for it. If it was a CBR600, the parts would be loads more. You can see the tyres are pretty worn. So this is a sure sign of a stolen, recovered bike, because it doesn't. This has been drilled out. So you can see that this is the wire that goes to the ignition. And this is another wire that seems to have been put on there to go to the ignition. So this is how they obviously hotwired it. So what I really need is a new ignition. So at least I can try to see if I can get it started. Which I just happen to have here. Let's plug that in. And hey, we have action. Hold on. I'm going to move the camera around this side. Hey guys, I've only got 21 subscribers. Give us a subscribe, please. Thank you. Don't know if there's any gas in it. I don't know if the battery's charged up or anything, but we've got. Pull the clutch in. Let me see. Let me put the side stand up. It might have a side stand cut out switch on it. Okay. Here we go. When it turns over, that's a good sign. And we do have it started. So, awesome. So this obviously got a bit of damage on this bike compared to, say, like the little 125 Zoomer. Well, that seems fine, doesn't it? Well, that is super duper. Okay, cool. So what we need is to get some more stuff and get working on this bike tomorrow.